Hi, welcome back to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom and today we're doing a pizza burger.
Got 250 grams of 80/20 ground beef. For that we're going to add finely chopped pepperoni slices. We've got 10 of these. Add that in and give it a good mix without compressing the meat too much. So we'll make 2 burgers out of this. We'll split it down equally. And then start to form your burger patties. Try not to compress the meat too much and keep them roughly the same size. So to start off, we're going to grill off our buns. I've added some garlic butter to these and just a direct toast. So we can put these burgers on for a direct cook directly on top of the charcoal. If you get too many flare-ups, you can always move them off to the side or keep the lid closed. When you start to see the colour change up the side of the burger, it's time to flip them. Just get your spatula and flip them straight over. So you get a nice crust on the outer side of your burgers due to the high fat content of the pepperoni. So for this next part of the cook, you need a spatula that's got no holes in it, it's completely flat. We put that directly over the charcoal to warm up, as we're going to use this as a griddle. Once the burgers are cooked through, it's time to remove, put these onto a plate and let them rest. Put the spatula back on directly above the charcoal. And we're going to spray this with some cooking spray. Next we're going to place on a burger ring. Into the burger ring we're going to add some finely sliced peppers and some olives. And these flavours really complement the pepperoni in the burgers. We're going to completely cover the bottom of the ring. And next we're going to add some mozzarella slices. You want to slice this as thinly as you possibly can. And just put a small layer directly over the top of the vegetables. You can use any vegetables you like in the bottom of this. I just think that the peppers and olives go together really well. Feel free to add seasonings to the top of the mozzarella. I added some Italian herbs. After a few minutes the mozzarella will have melted down, then it's time to remove. It's time to start building our burger. We're going to start off with some smoked tomato passata. I'll put an iCard in the top corner for this. It's a recipe I've already got out. It's a wonderful rich smoky flavour. So we're going to cover the top and bottom bun with this. Mix goes on one of our burgers. Then we're going to slide our vegetables and cheese on the top. You must make sure that you put a bit of grease on the bottom of this spatula before you add anything on, just to aid the sliding on. A nice gooey mozzarella cheese. Then add the second burger patty and crown it off with your top bun. Nice gooey cheese centre and perfectly cooked burgers.
This is a burger I've wanted to cook on the channel for a long time. And it's taken a while just to get it right, just to be able to get that cheese to melt through. That's why we put the vegetables underneath it, otherwise it sticks and you can't get it off. Anyway, let's give this a taste. It's really nice. You can taste every element, so the pepperoni is still coming through in the burger patties. That smoked passata that we put on the top and bottom of the bun's gorgeous. You still taste the garlic from the garlic butter that we put on there as well. Olives, I love olives. If you don't like olives, leave them out. And if you want to put anything else in the middle of there, any other vegetables or any other piece of toppings you like, just pop them in a layer and then the layer of cheese on the top, just so it doesn't stick. Put it on and the heat will just melt the cheese through. It's gorgeous. This is brilliant. This is exactly how I wanted it to have come out, so that you guys see it. It's something really different that you can make for your friends when they're coming around. I think you'll really enjoy it. So if you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you ring that bell for notifications, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If there's anything else you'd like to see me cook, please do leave a comment and let me know. Thank you very much for watching.